Today we're going to learn about longer words. So the words that we're going to practice today are multisyllable, and they're going to end with a long A sound toward the end. And when that happens, it's going to be spelled with an A consonant, final silent E. A consonant, final silent E. Like the word parade, French word charade. It's another one. Can't think of one. If you can think of one, go ahead and put it in the comments. There's a lot. Sometimes an A consonant final silent E, especially if it's an A-T-E, will make a different sound at the end of words, but we're going to have that lesson. That's going to be its own lesson. For now, every time we hear a long A sound toward the end of a multisyllable word, it's going to be spelled with an A consonant final silent E. So let's get spelling. Oh, thank you, Joseph. Here's a good one that Joseph gave me. Lemonade. Thank you. All right. Our first word that we are going to work on today is frappate. We're going to do this one together. Frappate. We have f, r, a, p, a, t. That is why we count sounds at the beginning of every class for our warm-up. Because this is the hardest part of spelling. Spelling has three steps. The first step is to isolate each sound. That's what this is we're isolating each sound, which is why we count sounds at the beginning of class. That's that skill that we're learning that might not have been developed when we were children. So we're learning it now. We're strengthening that skill now. And that's actually the hardest part of spelling. That's why we strengthen it every single time we come. This separation of sounds is the hardest and the most critical for spelling a word correctly. The next step 2 is the easiest of the 3 steps, and that is spelling the consonants. Step 3, the last step, is the second. It's the medium easy, medium hard, is the medium difficulty level of the 3 steps. And that is spelling the vowels, but it's doable, it's achievable, because that's what we're learning in these classes is those spelling rules. So you can apply your intellect and your knowledge. You're going to learn something, then you're going to apply it. It's kind of like a math problem. You just know the formula, you plug it in, you'll get the answer. Okay, so we're changing reading into a little bit of a math problem, putting it into a different part of your brain where it makes more sense and is more logical, not just a memorization and guess game, right? So frappate, consonants. Step 2. F, r, a, p, a, t. Now our vowels. A is spelled with an A most often. We always go for the most common spelling first. We want this to say a. Can it right now? No, because there's a vowel in the next 1 or 2 spots. When that happens, that would force that A to say A. It's long sound. I don't want it to say A. I want it to say a. A is a short vowel sound. Short vowel sounds require 2 consonants after them. If there's not 2, make 2. Now that A is nice and happy in that spot. A, right here, we start with the most common spelling. Remember, I gave you all of those spellings of A in the comments and the warm-up. We're going to start with the most common and the most simple, which is just that single A. We want it to make its long sound, A, but that requires a vowel there or there. If there's not one, make one. This is where that A consonant final silent E comes into play. It's toward the end of a longer word, and we're spelling the long A sound, A consonant final silent E. Your word, danade. Danade. D-A-N-A-D. Danade. Good spelling, Rowan. Danade. Dan, so my lips are open in the middle. Danade. Danade. And it's a 2 d, like dogs in there. Danade. Nice. Good. Danade. Good. All right. So our consonants are d, a, n, a, d. Vowels. A. Can this A say a? It cannot. The tab 2 rule says that if there's another vowel there or there, then that guy says its name. I don't want it to say danade. I want it to say danade. So that's going to need 2 consonants after it. So we're going to double the N. This A is long, so it does need a vowel there or there. If there's not one, make one. That's our reading hack for the day. Spelling hack. A, consonant, final, silent E. All right, number 2. Maybade. Together, let's do maybade. Now, don't be tempted to spell may like this. That is how you spell the A sound at the end of words, not in the middle. Maybade. A, b, a, d. Consonants. A, b, a, d. Vowels. A, we're going to start with just a single A. Can it say A? Yes, because of the tab 2 rule. A, can this one say A? No, there's not a vowel there or there, so we're going to make one. Longer word, A toward the end, is spelled with an A, consonant, final, silent E. You guys are getting that really well. I can tell in the comments, in the Q&A. Your word is, should I? Yeah, I'll teach you this little spelling hack right now. A lot of you know this already. A lot of you might not have ever heard it before, but if you've been in my class for a while, you've probably heard it before. No word can end with a V. You have to have an E after it. Have, give, live. That E is not making that A say A, it's not making that I say I, and it's not making that I say I. The only reason those E's are there is to prevent the V from being the last letter. In our language, V is not allowed to be the last letter. We have to have an E at the end. Okay, your word is native. Native. N-A-T-A-V. Native. Kind of like a native, but not. By the way, there's native with the E. That's not making that I say. It's not native. You didn't see that because that was a big hint. Native. Good, Joseph. Native. Close, Kimberly. You have an extra letter in there, Kimberly, and then the very last vowel sound right here is an A. Native. Right there is an A right there. Native. There you go. Good, Taryn. Nice, Sheldon. Good, Catherine. Nice, Mia. Good, Joseph. Native. That's better. Okay, consonants. N, A, T, A, V. For the A sound, I'm going to start with just the most common spelling. I could spell it with an A-I, I could spell it with an A-Y, I could spell it with an E-A. There's lots of different ways to spell it, but you start with the most common. If it works, stop, you're done. Can that A say A there? Yes, it can. So stop, I'm done. This A cannot yet say A because it needs a vowel there or there, so I add the E. That E is doing 2 jobs in this word. Silent E can have multiple jobs in the same word. In this word, it's making that A say A, and it's also preventing the V from being the last letter. Okay, I'm going to have you do one on your own. Think about really, you've got this. You've got the knowledge. So really be intentional about what you're placing on each line. Don't guess. Don't give it your best guess. You know how to do this. Figure it out. No pressure. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I have faith in you that if you go slow and be intentional, you'll be able to get this. Your word is slapping. Slapping. S-L-A-P-A-N. My mouth is open at the end. Slapping. I can't wait to see these. So make sure you have the same number of lines as me and the same number of dots. So the lines represent sounds, not letters. The lines represent sounds, not letters. There can be multiple letters on one line. We spell sounds. We don't spell letters. We spell sounds. The letters just represent those sounds. Slapping. There we go. Nice, Taryn. Kimberly, there's one letter in there that you don't need. Actually, 2 letters in there that you don't need. See if you can figure it out. I know you can do it. You're like, I wonder what it could be. Slapping. There you go, Rowan. Catherine, you might have heard me wrong. It is slapping. Slapping. Good, Mia. Nice, Joseph. There you go, Sheldon. Good. I love it. You guys took your time on this one. Carrie. Slapping. Nice job. Consonants. S, O, A, P, A, N. Sla, ah. I'm going to start with an A. Can it say ah yet? No. Ah is a short vowel sound which needs 2 consonants after it, so we're going to double the P. Now it can say ah. A, can it say A yet? No. We have to have another vowel there or there. If there's not one, make one. That's how you spell slapping. Okay. Now for this next one, do you want a hard one or a medium one? H or M? I'm not quite sure from what I'm seeing in the Q&A. We might not be ready for a hard one, but I'm getting lots of requests for hard. Okay, but here's the thing. If you're struggling a little bit with this lesson, you're not alone. This is just a hard lesson. Put your pencil down for a moment if you don't want to try the hard one, okay? Because I want you to set yourself up for success and nothing else. So just listen if you want. This word, remember to be intentional about each sound. I'm going to set you up for success. I'm going to give you a head start on separating the sounds. That's the hardest part. So make sure you have the same number of lines and those same lines are dotted as mine. Then you can do it. Okay, your word is chbatain. Like chop. Chbatain. Go for it. Have fun. Chbatain. Ch-a-b-a-t-a-n. Chbatain. 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 Take your time. Have fun. Chbatain. It's like putting a puzzle together. You can do it. Wow! Rowan, that's gorgeous. Well done. You've come so far, my friend. Chbatain. Chbatain. Taryn, you have 1 extra letter. I like how you're thinking, though. Super smart. Chbatain. Good. Catherine, give me 1 more letter somewhere. Figure out where. Nice. Nice. I'm going to give a couple more people a chance to put theirs in. Gorgeous. You guys are so good at spelling. Taryn, I need one more letter. Chbatain. Good, Catherine. Okay. Consonants. Ch, A, B, A, T, A, N. So far, so good. A. Can it say A? Yes, because there's a vowel right there. A. Can it say A? No, because there's a vowel right there. A needs two T's. A. Can it say A? No, it needs a vowel there or there, so we're going to put an E. Chbatain. There it is. Now, if you didn't get it, you got so close. That was a hard one. I picked the hardest ones that my little brain can think of, and you guys just nail it. You kill this stuff. It's amazing to watch. All right, we're going to end on more of an easier one. Not really easy though. It's going to be a medium one. I want you to spell the word chbatain. 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 How do you spell chbatain? Gorgeous. Chbatain. Chbatain. Make sure it's not spadate. I want chbatain. Justin, if you need help, any extra help, please send me an email. I'd love to help you, or you can throw your question in the Facebook group. Chbatain. Good. Okay, we have to hurry. So, consonants. S, P, A, D, A, T. Now I'm going to spell this A with just a single A, which can say A right there just fine because of the tab 2 rule. There's a vowel there or there. This A does not have a vowel there or there yet, so I'm going to add one. Chbatain. Now, do you feel like you have a little bit of a... Looks like spadate, doesn't it? Do you feel like you have a little bit of a handle on this? Isn't that remarkable? Do you feel like you made some progress today, that you're learning and that you're starting to understand how letters work and how sounds are divided and that you spell sounds? You are making progress. I can almost guarantee it. I should just guarantee it, because if you just listen, then it gets into your brain and you're making progress. If you just come and put your pencil down and just absorb and do the dishes, it's going to get in there. So you made time today to come to spelling class, and you are more knowledgeable for that investment. Congratulations. You're amazing. I won't see you on Monday. It's a holiday, but have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you on Wednesday. Bye, my friends.